In response to a recent surge of COVID-19 cases and the new Omicron variant of the virus, the NFL and NFLPA announced on Saturday the implementation of enhanced COVID protocols that includes changes to the testing cadence for fully vaccinated, asymptomatic players and staff. The two parties issued the following statement regarding the changes: "The NFL and NFLPA have been engaged with our medical advisors to address the emergence of the new Omicron variant and how to stop the spread to ensure we keep everyone safe and complete the remainder of the season responsibly." The intensive protocols implemented last week and the rescheduling of 3 games were designed to stop the transmission of the virus and play this week's game safely. After this weekend's games, we have agreed to put into place a new set of protocols, which will include a more targeted testing plan, more flexibility for players to attend meetings virtually and also a high-risk player opt-out for the remainder of the season. A memo, obtained by NFL Network Insider. If a fully vaccinated player or staff member reports symptoms, that person will immediately be isolated and tested, and will not be permitted to interact with any player or tiered staff until producing a negative test. All players and tiered staff will be subject to stringent symptom screening prior to entering a team facility each day before being permitted to enter in order to ensure any symptomatic individual will be tested prior to entering. Fully vaccinated players and tiered staff will be subject to strategic, targeted spot testing as directed by the NFL Chief Medical Officer, Dr. Sills. Such testing will include, without limitation, sample selection based on position group and staff cohorts. The NFL CMO will notify each club ECO as to which individuals will be required to test each week. If COVID infections are identified, the NFL and NFLPA medical experts will determine additional mitigation efforts, which may include additional testing, the memo states. The memo also states that high-risk players who wish to opt out for the remainder of the season will have the option to do so until 2 p.m. ET on Monday. All players may also volunteer for additional testing at team facilities. Players who are not fully vaccinated are still subject to daily testing. Medical information strongly indicates that this variant is significantly more contagious but possibly less severe than prior variants, particularly for people who are fully vaccinated and have received a booster shot, NFLC.